So here we are at the Disney Boardwalk Villas. We are walking down the hall right now to our room. We have 5008. We're all the way down at the end. Oh, you can see the swan out there.
Is it right?
Yeah. And here's our room. Here's our little kitchen area, which is cute. I'll turn on the light.
Yeah.
Here's the bathroom. I still don't like bathrooms that have like the mirror and the sink on the outside, but it's way nicer than other ones. Here's the bathroom, very standard. It's still cute though. Nothing like, oh my god. But it's nice. We have a actually way bigger fridge than I thought we were gonna have.
Wait until you see the view out the window.
So that's really nice. So we did only get a standard view room. We'll see what our view is. Let's look at this first.
Ooh.
Okay, so that's where you put their drawers in here. I know this is a fold-out bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe later on we'll fold that out. Or I guess if
Yeah. Oh, you gotta do a double.
There's things on
No,
there.
we'll do that later.
We'll do that later and just maybe throw it in the end of this video, even if it's like later.
Ooh, you know what I like? Is they have the USB.
Yeah.
That's
That makes it.
awesome.
And of course they've got the Disney Channel.
And the park hours.
Yep, with all the information. But it's pretty nice. So I think this is just a regular sofa and then it's that bed.
Yeah, I would assume.
Because I know I was reading some of the other rooms, it was an actual like pull-out sofa, but... So now, let's go see what our room is.
After you.
Our view is... Ooh. Yeah, for being a standard view room, this is really not that bad. It's just where we don't have a view of the boardwalk, but we have a view of the swan and dolphin.
And we have the tower
and the boat. Oh my god, yeah, the tower chair. Which is almost like torture because we can't actually go there because we don't have time on this trip. We are only doing 4 nights here. 2 of the days are going to be at Food and Wine, and then the other one's Mickey's Not So Scary. So that really sucks. I hate you now, room, for torturing me. It's kind of funny because today I'm going to be posting our video. I think I actually might have already posted our video of when we just walked around here back in June, and I thought that was like perfect timing because now today we are coming back here. It's kind of weird.
I really like this. It's like...
Yeah, I like it too because it's kind of like in our own little area, our own little corner. Let's go over there. Must be that the thing that the Swan and Dolphins doing their Food and Wine thing, which we thought about going to. It wasn't that bad. It was like the Food and Wine Classic. The prices weren't that bad, and it's like, pardon me, now that we're right here, it would have been nice. But the problem is that it was kind of, I mean, I don't think the prices were that bad if you were to eat meat. I don't eat meat, so it was kind of like, would it be worth it? I think it was like 100 and something, which if you really were, because like they had a bunch of food from some of the different restaurants and everything that are in there, so it sounded good. Yeah, I mean this is pretty nice. I do like it, and again that view is way better than I thought.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna look at like a parking lot or...
Yeah, well, because the map shows that the standard view rooms are supposed to be the parking lot one. So it's because the map showed that the standard view rooms were supposed to be like the ones of like the parking lot and stuff like that, like right at the front. So I thought that's what we were gonna have. So I'm glad with this view. because it's more than just a parking lot, and like we did want to kind of spend some time just sitting in the room on the balcony. So
it comes in Duffy's home.
Yes, this is actually where we got Duffy, which I'll link to the video of us last time when we came here, which he has all hair on him from Lance right now, but when we came here before, this is where we got Duffy. So it's kind of funny that we brought him back to the place, the hotel that we got him.
Now we have to go find his
yeah, we're
friend.
gonna get Shelly May. We're gonna get the version of her, the 2018 version of her. So I'm really excited about that. I wanted to get her last time, but it was like, you know, didn't really have the money to spend that much on bears. But at least now we came back. I think that was a sign that we had to come back, right, Duffy? But yeah, so I mean, this is nice, and please.
Oh, look at the boat going by.
Oh yeah, there's the friendship boat going by.
Hey, people are waving.
Oh, are they really?
Yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah, we get to see it. So yeah, so please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We're going to be doing all of our videos here. We also have videos of our dogs, and then just general travel videos.
And maybe some crazy clowns from outer space. I don't know.
Oh yeah, because we're going to Halloween Horror Nights tonight. We might get lost in the Upside Down. We'll see.
What?